Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see Haridwar and Rishikesh in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Haridwar is also known as Devbhoomi and therefore masses of people visit Haridwar every year to bathe in holy river Ganges. Myself and my friend Bhagwati, we went by train from Delhi. It is about 220 kilometers distance and takes about 5 hours to reach to Haridwar. There are number of convenient buses as well. After getting off at Haridwar station, we checked in our luggage in hotel. There are number of hotels based on your budget. You can choose your hotel. After resting for a while, we went to see Mansa Devi temple. Mansa Devi temple is located at the top of Bilwa Parvat on the southern mountain chain of Himalayas. There is a facility of ropeway. It carries the pilgrims from lower station directly to the Mansa Devi temple. The total length of rope is about 540 meters and the height it covers is 178 meters. On the normal day, temple is open between 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sitting in ropeway cradle, you can see beautiful view of river Ganges and the plains of Haridwar. Look at the scenery. It looks so beautiful. Mansa Devi is regarded as sister of Naga Vasuki. She is also believed to be daughter of Lord Shiva in his human incarnation. It is believed that goddess fulfills all wishes of her sincere devotees. Now we are at the entrance of the temple. And this is goddess Mansa Devi. After offering our prayers, we went to see evening Ganga Aarti at Har Ki Pauri. Har Ki Pauri is a famous ghat on banks of Ganga. Har Ki Pauri means steps of God. Lord Vishnu is believed to have visited Brahmakunda in Har Ki Pauri. King Vikramaditya is said to have built this ghat in 1st century BC in the memory of his brother Bhagirath, who had come to meditate for the salvation of his ancestors. It is considered to be the spot where the drops of Amrut fell over from the sky while being carried in a pitcher by Garuda after the Samudra Manthan. This is the place where thousands of pilgrims visit during the Kumbh Mela. Every day in the evening, there is Aarti performed on this ghat. We performed Ganga Aarti and offered lamp and flowers to the river Ganga. After Ganga Aarti, we enjoyed Puri Bhaji at one of the stalls. Next day morning, we went towards Rishikesh by taxi. On the way, we stopped over at Neelakantha Mahadev temple. The Neelakantha Mahadev temple is located at the confluence of river Pankaja and Madhumati. The temple has Dravidian architecture. It is believed that Lord Shiva consumed poison that was originated from the Samudra Manthan at this place, and because of the poison his throat became blue. Thus Shiva is known as Neelakantha. Now we are at Lakshman Jhula. Lakshman Jhula is suspension bridge across the river Ganges in Rishikesh. It is pedestrian bridge and was also used by some motorbikers. It is said that Hindu deity Lakshman crossed the Ganges river on a jute ropes, where now you see this bridge being built. We went walking over the bridge to the other end where Tera Manzil temple is located. Tera Manzil temple is famous tourist spot and is also called Trambakeshwar temple. This holy shrine has 13 stories and each story has several idols of Hindu gods and goddesses. This is a view from the 13th story. Rishikesh has a lot to offer in terms of spirituality and adventure. The city has many popular ashrams that allow you to meditate. It is also a birthplace of Ayurveda. Many tourists visit Rishikesh to indulge in water sports such as water rafting and thrills like bungee jumping. This is Ram Jhula, which is also iron suspension bridge, and it looks like Lakshman Jhula, but it is slightly bigger in size. This is Triveni Ghat, where you will see many devotees performing last rites and rituals for their loved ones. From here we went to see Gita Bhavan, which is ancient shrine complexes in Rishikesh. The walls of shrine bear writings from well-known epics Mahabharata and Ramayana. There is a meditation hall and Ayurvedic department. The mystical and spiritual environment of Haridwar and Rishikesh is fascinating and you would love to visit this place again and again. We took lot of memory pictures. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel Around the World Desi Pardesi and click on bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Stay tuned. See you soon. Yours Desi Pardesi.